Okay. Good evening, students. We are Karthikeya and Ansh.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. So we will start today's session. We will solve some grammatical points. Okay. Welcome, Deepak. I will share the screen. Okay. Can everybody see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now, we have a series of questions. Now, you have to change the sentence as per the instructions given. Okay? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So, there are certain grammatical rules which are used in this. So, as we go on solving the problems, I will tell you which grammatical rule is used where. Now, we start with A. So, there are 3 students, right? So, one by one, you will attempt the answer. Okay? So, we will start with Karthike. Karthike, will you read
Yes,
A?
sir.
Just read the question A and try to attempt the answer. Yeah.
Okay. He is so old that he cannot remember events of the past.
Yes. Now, can you attempt the
He,
answer? No, yeah, tell me. Yeah.
yes, I'll try.
Tell
He
me.
is too old to remember events of the past.
Perfect. So, what happens is when we convert so into to, we remove the negative. We do not say he cannot remember events of the past. He is too old to remember the events of the past. So, this is a conversion of so from so to TOO. From so to to. He's so old that he cannot remember events of the past, becomes he's too old to remember the events of the past. Okay. Question number 2. Ansh.
Yes, sir.
We will try to attempt this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
As soon as the bell rings, the children run out.
Yes.
No sooner the bell rings, the children run out.
Now, after no sooner, you will use does. No sooner does the bell ring, then the children run out to play. Okay?
Okay, sir.
No sooner does the bell ring. Now, why do we use does here and why not did? As soon as the bell rings. Now, the bell rings. Which tense is this? Ansh? Ansh? What is the tense? The bell rings. The bell rings is the
Past.
present tense. No,
Yeah,
bell
present.
rings. Present. So does, that's why we use does. Does is also a present tense of the verb do. Did is the past tense and does is the present tense. So no sooner does the bell ring, then the children run out to play.
Okay.
Now, the third participant, what is your name? Can you just tell me your name? I could
So
not
I
see
guess
it.
he left the meeting.
He left the meeting. Okay. So you are Karthike?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Karthik and Ansh, 2 students are there, right? Yeah. So now Karthike, you attempt number
Yes, sir.
3.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. No
Yes.
other planet is as big as Jupiter.
Yeah.
Jupiter is the biggest planet.
Yes. So, and what other can be used, Ansh?
Yes, sir.
How other way can you phrase it? Is there any other way that
Uh,
you can phrase it?
no other planet is as big as
Hmm?
Jupiter. Jupiter is
Kartike
one of
said,
the biggest planets.
no, no, because
Uh,
it is confirmed that no other planet is as big as Jupiter. So Jupiter is bigger than all other planets. That can also be used. But the best way to write this is Jupiter is the biggest planet. Okay?
okay.
Yes? Ha.
So can we say
Now,
that?
yes, yes. Tell me, tell me.
So can we say that Jupiter is the biggest planet of all?
Yes, yes, yes. Jupiter is the biggest planet of all. Yes, yes. Of all the planets. Can you specify? Jupiter is the biggest planet of all the planets. Or of them all. Jupiter is the biggest planet of them all. Okay? Okay. Ansh, you
Yes,
will
sir.
attempt number 4.
Yes.
Ah,
He is forgetful as well as careless with his work.
yes.
Besides being forgetful, he is also careless with his work.
Perfect. Perfect. With besides, you state the first thing and you use the also in the second thing. Like, he is forgetful as well as careless with his work, as you very likely said. Besides being forgetful, you use a comma after that. He is also careless with his work. See, now, Kartike, number 5.
It is probable that Lie Hip will reach the
Actually,
shore.
the ship will reach the shore. It is actually the ship will reach the shore. Yeah,
The
yeah.
ship will reach. Okay, sir.
Ah.
In all the probability, the ship will reach the shore.
No need to use the first the. In all probability, comma, the ship will reach the shore. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes? Ha. Ansh, number 6.
Yes.
Yes.
She said that she would return the book to the library the next day.
Yes.
Uh,
Now this is an indirect speech. You have to convert this into direct speech.
yes, she said, then in inverted commas,
She said, and a
uh,
comma also. One
she
comma
said,
also.
yeah,
Ha, yes, yes.
comma,
Continue. Ha.
inverted comma, I will return the book tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow.
But don't miss the middle words, please.
Uh, she said that she will return the book to the library tomorrow.
Ha, you missed the words to the library.
Yeah,
So what you have to say is, I will return the book to the library tomorrow. Yes, you got it perfect. You know the rules of changing direct to indirect and indirect to direct. Yes.
yes.
Number 7, Kartike. Only 2 students are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Ha. So number 7, yeah.
Only trained graduates need to apply for the post.
Yes.
None but trained graduates need to apply for the post.
Perfect. Perfect. So only is changed to none but, and rest all remains the same. None but means only, and only means none. So this is just usage of words to rephrase sentences. Usage of words and certain grammatical rules. Now, number 8.
His attitude towards his parents has always uh,
Me. This is not flick. This is
puzzled
me.
me.
Me. Ha. Ha.
His attitude towards his parents has always puzzled me. I
Me.
have
Puzzled
always,
me.
uh,
Ha.
I have always been puzzled by his attitude towards his parents.
That's it. Perfect. I have always been puzzled. The important thing is here the been should come. I have always been puzzled by his attitude towards its parents.
Yes.
So, this is conversion of the active voice into the passive voice. Then, number 9, Kartike.
He loved his little daughter but he was in mortal fear of a fierce temper. Although he loved his daughter, he was in mortal fear of her fierce temper.
Fair enough. Only thing is that you, when you use although, you have to remove but. Although plays the role of but. Although but का काम करता है. Okay. फिर भी. Although is like but and फिर भी. Okay. Ansh, number 10.
When she heard the news of her daughter's result, she was very happy.
Ah.
On hearing the news of her daughter's result, she was very happy.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Now, here no. Ansh and Kartike, read this whole thing together first and then attempt. When you are asked a question in which you have to use the verb in a particular form, you have to read the whole passage once or twice and then only start attempting the answer. Why you have to attempt? Because you have to know what tense is the author writing in, whether it is present, whether it is past, whether it is future, and then you will come to know which appropriate verb will come here. Yeah. So,
Okay.
yeah. So first read it. I will give you 1 minute. After that, I will ask you. Tell me once you have finished reading.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done? Yeah. Kartike, done?
Yes, sir, done.
So this, now, you guys have a pen and a paper with you?
Sir,
Yes?
just give
Why?
me. Sir, just give me 2 seconds, sir.
Yes, get it. Ansh, you have?
Yes, sir.
So, now which verb will come where? Now, Kartikeya, are you back?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
So now we will start. One day I dashed in the lunch line and there I saw a pile of apples. Now, what is the important thing here? What the verb saw is the most important thing here. Why? Because it tells you that this thing happened in the past. One day dash, therefore you will not use am in the lunch line. One day I am in the lunch line and there I saw a pile of apples. No, this is past. Now which past will you use? See, it can either be simple past or it can be past perfect. So it can either be I was or I had been. But I will go with was because it sounds appropriate. You have to see what it sounds like. So one day I was in the lunch line and there I saw a pile of papers. Now, the teacher in charge dashed at me and said. So here you have a choice of, what choice you have?
Stared at me.
Yes, very good. The other choice was staring at me, but stared at me is more appropriate because again you have got a past tense said. So the teacher in charge stared at me and said, yeah. Now you continue. Kartike, what will come at 3? Just.
Yes, sir.
Just.
Take one.
Very good. Ansh, God. Number 4.
Is watching.
Very good. So I, Kartike, 5.
I took.
Very good. And the line, number 6.
Moved.
Moved along.
Yes, very good. Number 7.
There was.
Very good. Number 8.
I didn't know. Did
Yes,
not.
did not know. Yes. Right in the expanded form only. I did not know. Yeah.
Whispered.
Very good. Number 10.
Take all you want.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Now, number 6. Yeah. What will come with?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Now see. You know prepositional phrases. What are prepositional phrases? Which word to be used with which preposition? Now, business is carried on. So, number 6, you will have carried on. Sita's daughter carried on the family business when Sita went abroad. You carry on a business. Number 7, make an attempt. This is simple enough. Number 7.
Away from.
Very good. Yes, you run away from something. You ran away from something and you run dash into my old friend. What will come at 8?
Towards.
No. This is more like you meet somebody accidentally. So what do you say?
Into.
Yes. And the other word will be, other point could be across. I ran across my old friend. But into is appropriate. I ran into my old friend in the marketplace. Number 9.
Her aunt looked dash her agent.
Ha.
Looked like.
No. Here, no. It's more about taking care of somebody. So what will come? When you take care of somebody, what do? You look after the person. Look after, yes. Her aunt looks after her aging parents. So, see, after normal thing in mind is that we have the image that something that is behind or something that comes later on. But somehow with the preposition look, when we want to say that you're taking care of somebody, her aunt looks after her aging grandparents. So just keep that in mind. When you take care of somebody, you look after that person. Okay? Yes?
Yes.
The principal looks dash matters of complaint from teachers and students. The principal looks dash matter.
To the matter.
Yes, looks into the matters of complaint from teachers and students. Okay. Now this B. She turned dash the offer to work at the factory. Now, there are two things when you get an offer. You accept the offer or you reject the offer. So here the word accepted is not there. So we know that she rejected the offer. So for rejecting something, the prepositional phrase is turn down. Okay? Yes? Did you get it? Kartikeya and Anshe both?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
She turned down the offer to work at the factory. Now you might ask me, sir, how do you know that she rejected the offer? Because of the word turned. See, When you accept an offer, there is no phrase for that. You took up the offer. The one phrase could be you took up the offer, but there is no phrase which turned, which means that you took up the offer. So the offer was rejected. So she turned down the offer to work at the factory. Here, prepositional phrases do not follow any specific pattern. The more you read, the more you will come to know which prepositional phrase means what. So we will practice this a lot. To everyone's surprise, he turned dash at the party. Now, you know, to attend something, you turn up at that place. To everyone's surprise, he turned up at the party. Up will come. Why up will come? Turn up means to attend. And you cannot use turned from the party because the preposition at is coming after. So turned away at the party sound totally wrong. So he turned up at the party. To turn up at some place, to appear at some place, to pay one's visit at some place, to pay a visit, to turn up at the party. Clear? Kartik and Ansh? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you cry, what do? Number 3.
He broke down.
Yes, when you cry, you also break down. So that's why he broke down. What else can be there? This word, this you have to ask yourself. Nothing else seems appropriate. He broke down in the middle of his speech at the function. People cry when they're giving speech at times. Now, but what do you do when you enter somebody's house illegally?
Broke
Into.
Yes, broke in or into. The burglars broke in the house. Into the house will also do. Broke in or into. Broke in the house. Broke into is appropriate. Broke into the house when the family was away. Into. The burglars broke into the house when the family was away. When you obey somebody, they give you, when somebody gives you orders, you carry out the orders. Okay? He agreed to carry out the manager's orders. Okay? Yes?
So can I write here on? He agreed to carry on.
No. You carry on a business forward, but if somebody gives you certain orders, you carry out those orders. Okay? Carry on means continue karo. Carry on, one thing is continue, to continue that. So carry on, मतलब जो चल रहा है वो चलने दो. That is the meaning of carry on. But when somebody gives you orders, you carry out their orders. Okay, you obey the orders. Carry out means to obey. Then, yeah, this we already did 6th one. Okay. Now, yeah, Kartike, change this sentence.
Although he had high fever, he attended the meeting. Despite having a high fever, he attended the meeting.
No need for a. Despite having high fever, he attended the meeting. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Ansh, number 2.
They showed a video of My Fair Lady.
Yes.
A video of My Fair Lady was shown.
Yes. Was shown by them. That is important because they have specified the subject. So see, this is a conversion of an active to passive voice. So they is the subject of the sentence they have written, and we have to convert that into the object. And the object is video. So video becomes the subject when you convert from active to passive voice. So a video of My Fair Lady was shown by them. Okay? Yes? Number 3, Kartike, very easy.
This sum is too hard for me to solve.
Very good. To think of our meeting here. Yes, this is slightly interesting. Now, let me first explain this. To
Okay.
think of our meeting here, they have put an exclamation mark. So that means that person is thinking that it is very odd, it is very strange, very unusual that we are meeting here. So to convert that, this is an exclamatory sentence, and you are asked to convert that into a declarative sentence. It is very strange for us to meet here. Okay, that is how you will convert. Got
Okay.
it? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Ha. Number 5, Kartikeya.
Sheila runs faster than Mary. Mary runs slower than Sheila.
Or
Mary is not as fast as Sheila.
yes, prefer the second one. Here you have to change the
Okay.
degree of comparison. Sheila runs faster than Mary. Mary does not run as fast as Sheila. Okay, that naturally implies that Sheila runs faster than Mary. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Number 1, Ansh. Preposition.
Printed dash the poster in large broad letters was the word printed on the poster.
Printed on the poster. Yes, this thing is printed on the poster. Yes. Number 2, Ansh.
The vice president warned dash continuing dangers of recession. The vice president warned about.
Against. You can
Okay.
use here against. You want something against somebody. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then Kartike. Ha.
Yes, sir.
Now this. Fill in the blank with appropriate form of the word. Yes.
A
Number
lie
1.
may sometimes cost a life.
Yes. What will you write instead of cost? See. Now this is a universal truth. Or this is something which is generally accepted statement. A generally accepted statement is said in the present tense, and a lie may sometimes cost a life. So it will remain like that only. A lie may sometimes cost a life. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
After may, you use the present tense of the verb. You may go there. You may come here. So a lie may sometimes cost a life. Then Kartike, second word, second sentence.
I finished my work for today.
Yes. Yes. Ansh, number 3.
If he received your letter, he would have. If he would have received.
Or if he had received your letter,
Had
he
to
would have replied. Yeah.
Yes.
Then Ansh, number 4.
After we walk for some time, I realized that after we walk for some time, I realized
Yes.
that we will.
Yes. Now number 5.
By 12 o'clock, she would have studied for 3 hours.
She would have been studying for 3 hours. So here it can be either she would have studied for 3 years or she would have been studying for 3 years. Both of them are appropriate. Number 6.
He fall to an he fall to an assassin's bullet.
No. What is the past of fall?
He had fallen.
Fell.
Fell. F-E-L-L. The past of fall is fell. Okay. Number 7.
I did not know it was you until you spoke.
Very good. Very good. Now, get the prepositions. Okay. Ha. Number 3, Ansh.
I hope this point will become clear to you after the course of the lecture.
Or more appropriate would be
Become clear to you uh,
during.
during the
Ha.
course of the lecture.
During the course of the lectures. Ha. Now, number 4,
The effect of a given dose of medicine will vary from one individual to another.
yes, things vary from one person to other. Huh? So with the verb vary, after the verb vary, from is used most of the time. Ha. Number 5.
The rain poured in through a hole in the roof.
Perfect. Number 6. This is refrain. Number 6. We must REFRAIN. So Kartike. Number 6.
We must refrain from stealing.
Perfect. Yes. Refrain after yes. Number 7.
I have always preferred teaching uh, in work. No.
No.
I have
No.
always preferred teaching uh, than working in an office.
To. You prefer something to the other or
Okay.
over the other. I've always preferred teaching over working in an office, or the appropriate is to. I prefer this to this. So I've always preferred
Okay.
teaching to working in an office.
Okay.
And yeah, number 8,
He jumped into the river to evade the enemy.
evade the enemy. Yeah. So when you have a river na, you always jump into the river. Okay. The principal brought his staff. Yes, this is interesting. Ansh.
The principal brought his staff uh, dash to his
Ha.
point of view.
Yes.
Brought his staff
You bring somebody around to your point of view.
around
So,
to his. Okay.
yes, that's the principal brought the staff around to his point of view. Okay.
Yes.
Then, yeah, this. Did this.
Kusum is not as intelligent as her brother Kabir.
Ha.
Kabir is more intelligent than Kusum.
Very good. Very good. Ansh. Number 3.
There were many problems in the beginning. All the same. It
Same.
was
All the same. SAME. Ha.
all the same. It has been a successful event.
Yes.
Notwithstanding the
Ha.
notwithstanding the problems in the beginning,
Ha.
it had been a success. It was a successful event.
No. Let it remain. It has
was-
been a successful event. Yeah.
It has been a successful event.
Yes. So all the same is removed. Notwithstanding the problems in the beginning, comma, it has been a successful event. Number 4.
She was in a hurry and I was in a hurry too.
Yes.
She was in a hurry and so me.
No, 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 no. First of all, you will have to get the verb here. And so was I. Okay? She was in a hurry and so was I. Got it, Kartikeya and Ansh?
Okay. Yes, sir.
She
Yes.
was in a hurry and so was I. When this type of sentence happens now, after so, that auxiliary verb is used first. Here the auxiliary verb itself is the main word, that is was. So what you say is so was I. Okay. Ha. Number 5.
Mr. Kapoor taught us Western music in school.
Yes.
We were taught Western music by Mr. Kapoor in school.
How? Okay. Or Mr. Kapoor can come in the end. We were taught Western music in school by Mr. Kapoor. Yeah. Even that can be done. Okay. Then number 6.
I am sorry, I am unable to accompany you.
Yes.
I regret my I regret my
Yes.
sir. I regret my
I'll tell you.
I don't know, sir.
I'll tell you. I'm sorry I am unable to accompany you becomes I regret my inability to accompany you. Okay? Hmm? That am unable becomes inability. I regret my inability to accompany you. Okay? Got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Then number 7.
Smoking can cause damage to our health.
Yes.
Your health, uh, your health will be your health will be damaged if uh, you continue smoking.
No, no. See, don't divert. What you are diverting is it is can. So let can remain. Your health can be damaged by smoking.
Okay.
Why? Can means probability. It could
Yes.
or it could not. When you say will, then it becomes 100% certain. But they, in the first sentence itself, they have made it that it is not 100% certain. Smoking damages your health is not written, or smoking will damage your health is not written. Smoking can. So you have got that element of probability, not 100% thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Number 8, Kartikeya.
The prices of food grains have increased due to hoarding.
Ha.
Hoarding has led to increase in price of food grains.
Yes, increase in the prices of food grains. Read that prices remain prices itself. Do not make any changes unless grammar dictates the changes. Okay, unless grammatically correct. If you have to make it grammatically correct, then only make changes. Otherwise, let the sentence remain as it is. Number 9.
Not many people listen to the radio these days.
Yes.
Uh, few people listen to the radio these days.
Very good. Not many converts into few. So, you know, what happens is that the meaning has to be the same, and you use different words to convey the same meaning. Okay. Now, number 10, Kartikeya.
Arun is fat, yet he runs fast. In
Ah.
spite of Arun being fat, he runs fast.
Or in spite of being fat, Arun runs fast. You can phrase it that way also. Arun can come afterwards also. In spite of being fat, comma, Arun runs fast. Okay. Then Ansh.
Yes, sir. Uh, he uh, he fell to an assassin's bullet.
Ha. No, number 7. This you already did.
Okay.
Assassin. Ha.
Did not know it was you uh, until you spoke.
Yes. Yes. I did not know it was you until you spoke. Number 8, Kartikeya.
He finished first, though he began late.
Perfect. Ansh, number 9.
His company is greatly seeking after.
No.
Uh,
I will tell you. I will tell you. Here, no. Seek becomes sought. SOUGHT. His company is greatly sought after. Sought means to crave something, to wish for something. So seek becomes sought. His company is greatly sought after. In this type of a sentence, na, the past tense is used. His company is greatly sought after. This is a passive voice. Everybody seeks his company. His company is greatly sought after. Number 10.
The prisoners,
Ah.
the prisoners bind hands and the prisoners bind hand and foot.
No. Now I will tell you. You have to use a certain bit of common reasoning, general reasoning and common sense. What happens to the prisoners is that sometimes you have to tie up their hand and feet. A word for tie is bind. So the prisoners were bound hand and foot. Nobody will tie themselves up. They need to be tied up by others. That's why the principals were bound. W-E-R-E were and B-O-U-N-D bound. The prisoners were bound hand and foot. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ha. Now whose turn it is?
Yes.
Ansh. Ha. Preposition.
This is dash all means the better book. This is from all means.
Nahi. Now one more prepositional phrase means is by all means. By all means thoroughly. No second opinion about it. This is by all means the better book. Considering everything else as equal. So that is the meaning of by all means. By all means in any circumstances, certainly, definitely. By all means, the better book. Yeah. Now number 2.
The robbers broke into the house in the middle of night.
Very good. Number 3. Ansh.
Was infested by rats.
With rats. Huh? A thing is infested with something. Okay. Yes.
During his vacations, LHC students will be preparing.
Will be busy preparing. Will be busy preparing.
Will be busy preparing for the examinations.
Yes, you prepare for examinations. Okay. Number 5.
The workers toiled from dusk to dawn.
From dawn to dusk. When you want to say the whole day, na, this phrase is used from dawn to dusk. Okay. Number 6 is interesting.
I take dash all that I said about him as I realized I had been wrong.
Yes.
I take away.
No.
I take
back.
Yes. When you say something and when you regret saying that and you want what you have said to be erased, so you say, I take back all that I had said about him as I realized I had been in the wrong. Yes. Now put the proper verb form. We, yes.
Should all we should all
no. See. Here uns. The verb is written in the bracket. The verb is be. So the be form of the verb is expressed as is, am, or are, and was and were. So here this is a saying. This is a universal truth. So what we will say is that we are all the caretakers of the earth. One moment. 1461. So we are all the caretakers of the earth. Okay. Now number 2.
He need not go to the doctors as his fever subsidized.
Nahi, it is not subsidized. Read the verb properly. to come down.
Sub
Come down means to subside. So he did not go to the fever as his fever has subsided. Now, what does this mean? Basically, he had fever, so he was thinking of going to the doctor. But now his fear came down. Fever. To come down, the verb used is subside. He did not go to the doctor as his fever has subsided. Okay? Got it?
yes, sir.
Ha. Number 3. Ansh.
The plane landed at Bangalore only 2 hours after taking off from Delhi.
Very good. After taking off from Delhi. Yes. Kartike,
As
number
soon as
4.
as soon as the teacher entered the class, the student stood up to wish her.
Very good. So because it is in the past, so you use the past. Number 5. Ansh.
The river Ganga has its origin in Himalayas.
Yes. Number 6.
The
Kartike.
patient died before the doctor arrived.
Very good. Then number 7.
The joys and sorrows of life weave together.
So, what would be an appropriate thing?
The joys and sorrows of life were weaving together.
No. This is a no. See, this is a general statement. So, the joys and sorrows of life are woven together. That would be an appropriate way. The joys and sorrows of life are woven together. Got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Anshan Kartike, huh? The joys and sorrows of life are woven together.
Together.
Ha.
He
Number
returned
7.
to his country after 10 years.
Perfect. Ansh.
Ravi distributed the chocolate among his cousins.
Perfect. Kartike, number 9.
The workers said they would call off.
Yes. But did you read the full sentence before answering? You should do that. The workers said that they would call off the strike if their demands were met. That condition has to be fulfilled for them to call off the strike. Call off means to discontinue something. Okay? Yeah. Number 10. Yes.
The old man passed away in his
Yes, you pass away. Pass away is a phrase used for to die. Okay? Ha. Then, yeah. Kartike, number 1A.
Those who are honest and trusted by all.
No,
Those
are
who are
trust-
honest are trusted by all.
yes.
The honest are trusted by all.
Good. Right. Ansh, the next one.
he knows everything about the business. There is nothing that he doesn't know about the business, that he does not know about.
There is nothing about the business that he does not know. Okay? Yes. Now, Kartike, number
A bridge
2.
would have been built if the funds had not run out.
Yes.
Had the bridge been built if the funds had not run out?
No. Ansh, do you want to make an attempt?
Had the funds not run out, had the funds been
No. Let it be. You said correctly the first time.
had the funds not run out,
Yes.
the build would have been built.
No.
Okay.
Had the funds not run out, yeah, the bridge would have been built. Yes, you're right. Sorry. Had the funds not run out, the bridge would have been built. So this is a condition, which means that had is substitute for if. If the funds had not run out, the bridge would have been built. Which means a condition. See, if is substituted by had, but then you'll have to get this thing into play. The funds not run out will come before, because had is taking the place of if. So had the funds not run out, a bridge would have been built. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now number 3.
As soon as winter comes, bird migrate to the south.
Yes.
No sooner does the winter come,
Yes.
the bird migrate to the south.
Then, with no sooner you use then. No
Okay.
sooner does the winter come, then birds migrate to the south. And why do we use does and why not did?
Sir, it is in future tense. It is a
No.
future tense.
No, it is not future tense. Where is will and shall? To have future tense, we will have going to do something or will and shall. As soon as winter comes. Now see, this is a general truth. It's a scientific fact which is being explained.
Simple present.
Yes, as winter comes. So that's why all simple present. Therefore, we use the simple present tense of the verb do, which is does. No sooner does winter come than the birds migrate to the south. Then number 8.
David exercises regularly when David exercised regularly when he was in college.
Yeah, the general rule here is, the most important rule is you must read the full sentence. When he was in college. So you're talking about something which took place in the past.
Past.
For a past action without exception, past verb will come. David exercised regularly when he was in college. Number 9.
Avoid eating junk food in order to remain healthy.
Perfect. Number 10. Ansh. Number
Let
10.
me know as soon as they finish.
Yes, let me know as soon as they finish. Then, Kartike.
Man
4A.
Man is exploring the sea in order to increase his resources. The sea is being explored in order to increase man's resources.
No. What you have to get man in between. The sea is being explored by man in order to increase his resources. Okay, here the man has to come as soon as you have said explore. Okay, got it? Yes, Kartike?
Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir.
sea is being explored by man. Because man is exploring the sea, active voice, the sea is being explored by man. So let this be divided into 2 sentences. In order to increase his resources will remain in the end. Man is exploring the sea, active voice. The sea is being explored by man, passive voice. Okay? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, here it is not orifices, it is officers. Now, read the sentence.
They were the only officers who completed the task.
Yes.
Except for
Yes.
this office, except for other officers, only they
No.
completed.
No. It is like that. Except for those officers, no one completed the task. Okay. Now, what they are saying, there was a task, and only these officers completed the task. All others did not complete the task. So, except for those officers, no one completed the task. Okay? Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Number 6.
He is the richest man I've ever met. I've never met a rich man like him.
No.
I have never met someone as rich as him.
Or I have never met anyone richer than him.
Okay.
Or I have never met anyone as rich as him. Okay, both will do here. I have never met anyone richer than him, or I have never met anyone as rich as him. Okay? Yeah? Got it? Kartikeya and Ansh?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Then number 7.
I have never seen a film as bad as this. This is the baddest film I've ever seen.
Now. You have used a word which does not exist in the English language.
Worst.
Yeah,
This
see.
is the worst film
Yeah.
I've ever seen.
Ansh, bad is a positive degree. Worse is the comparative degree, and worst is the superlative degree. So you have to use the superlative degree here. So this is the worst film that I have ever seen. Okay? Yes? Ha. Yeah. Now read this.
He said, I will definitely visit you tomorrow.
Yes.
He said that he would visit me the day after.
Definitely word. Let it be there. He would definitely visit me the day after. Yes. Do not miss words, huh? Kartike, you do
Yes,
not
sir.
have to miss or tinker around with words which do not need to be tinkered around with. Yeah. Number 9.
We should have sympathy for the less fortunate.
Yes.
We should sympathize with the less fortunate.
Yes. With sympathize, the word, the preposition with comes. We should sympathize with the less fortunate.
Yes.
Ha. Then number 10.
My praise pleased her.
Ha.
Uh, what gave? Sir, I don't know, sir.
Yes. Now see, how do we change this? My praise pleased her. What gave her pleasure was my praise. Okay? Got it? To
Yes,
make
sir.
it grammatically correct, what gave her pleasure was my praise. Okay? Clear? Ansh also clear?
Yes, sir.
Kartike clear? Huh? What gave her pleasure
Yes, sir.
was my praise. Now, ha. The soccer player was shown a yellow card for arguing dash the referee. What will come after arguing?
Arguing with.
Yes, you argue with somebody. Okay. So the prepositional phrase with is used with argue. Mr. Donald will call dash him tomorrow. Ha. See, when you phone somebody, na, you call on that person. Sorry, if you phone somebody, you call that person. But when you visit somebody, you call on that person. So Mr. Donald will call on him tomorrow. Okay? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Call on him tomorrow. Number 3, the exhibition was a complete sell dash. Now, yes.
Sell out.
Yes, sell dash out. Yes. How can she put dash with such indisciplined students?
Put up.
Yes, put up. How can she put up with such indisciplined students?
The
Okay.
man broke the cordon and
Yeah, wait. This 5 number is not clear. Number 6. We must cut dash on wasteful expenditure.
cut off.
No, when
Cut
you have
down.
to cut down. With cut, the preposition used is down.
Okay.
Ha. Though I was young, my father had great confidence dash me
On me.
in me. You have great confidence in
In me.
somebody.
Sorry.
Yeah.
In me.
Huh. Now, number 9.
The Anna wasn't looking where she was going and she walked into a lamppost.
Very good. You walk into something.
Yes.
Then number 10. Dash is at the end.
She is the richest person I have.
No, not the richest.
Oh, no, sorry. She is the nicest person I have ever met. I
No.
have come across.
Yes. Come across. Yes. Now, read this whole paragraph and then decide the tenses. Yeah. Read?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
then.
Now start answering. One. Ansh. One number.
They walked,
Or had walk. It's a toss
had
up
walked.
between. Why
Okay,
had
had
walk?
walked.
Because see, past perfect is past in the past. Now the two events are happening in the past, walking and seeing. The first thing that takes place is walking. So that's why you will use after they had walked. Yeah. Kartike, number 2.
For and while they saw.
Very good. Number 3, Ansh.
Yes, sir. They peeped through the broken window.
Yes. Number 4,
To
Kartike.
look.
No.
Looking.
Yes.
They for someone who guided them,
No.
uh, for someone who guide them back to
No. Who would guide?
the wood guide.
Yes. They were looking for someone who would guide them. Looking for someone who would guide them back to the main room. Then number 6.
Sir, can we say that for someone who could guide?
Yes. Could or would both can be used. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
They found that the cottage.
Yes. Ansh.
The cottage was had
No, not had. See, after dirty, no, there is a comma. So it is not that the cottage had dirty cobwebs. The cottage was dirty.
was
Secondly,
dirty.
why was and why not had? Because the verb inside is be. Be manifestations are is, am, are, was, and were. So the cottage was dirty. Look at the punctuation marks. Because of this comma, it is not that the cottage had dirty cobwebs. The cottage was dirty, comma. Now, Kartike, number 8.
Uh, Cobwebs hanging.
No. The
Hung
cottage was dirty. Cobwebs hung across the roof. Okay? Or cobwebs were hanging across the roof.
Okay.
And Ansh.
And across the roof, and it seemed to be unoccupied.
Very good. The last
They
is
they were disappointed.
yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. With this, we end today's session. Okay. Bye, Kartike. Bye, Ansh.
Why, sir?
Bye.